Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a 10-minute makeup tutorial. This is what I do most mornings when I'm running super late, but I still want to look cute. It's super easy, super fast. So if you guys want to see how I got this, then keep watching. Okay, today we're going to start off with my eyebrows, and I'm not going to do my everyday brow routine. I'm going to do something a lot simpler and easier. So to start out, I'm going to use my Kybrow pencil in Ebony. So I'm just going to start by lightly filling in the areas just to make them look a little fuller. I really like this eyebrow pencil for my more natural makeup days because it makes it super easy to fill them in. Okay, so I really just filled in the ends of my eyebrows where I really don't have much hair just to make my eyebrows look more full. Next, I'm going to very lightly carve out my brows with the Kylie Jenner concealer in the color Shell. Okay, now that I have my brows on, I'm just going to put the Kybrow Extreme Hold Gel on. I really love this eyebrow gel. It honestly like cements your eyebrows to your face. Like you put this on and they're not going anywhere. Okay, for foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. This is in the color 115 Ivory. I'm just gonna go in with my Equal Tools sponge and put this all over my face. Okay, now for concealer, I'm going in with the same Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the color Shell. And I'm just going to apply this in a triangle shape underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to take whatever's left on the sponge and blend it out on my nose, chin, and forehead. Okay, now that I have my foundation and concealer on and I'll blend it in, I'm going to go in with a cream contour. The palette I'm going to use today is the Anastasia contour kit in light to medium, and I'm just going in with the middle color and putting it underneath my cheekbones. Now that I have my contour on, I'm just going to add a tiny bit more of concealer in the under eye just to blend it in. So now that I've blended out my under eyes, I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics setting powder. I'm going to set underneath my eyes and also the rest of my face. For under the eyes, I'm using a damp beauty blender. To set the rest of my face, I'm using this dense brush by BH Cosmetics. Now to set my contour, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in the color Khaki. And I'm just taking an angled brush by BH Cosmetics. I'm just placing it right over that contour so that way it doesn't slide around my face. Next, I'm going to bake underneath my eyes and my chin. And while I'm baking my face, I'm just going to go in and blend out my contour just a little bit more, make it a tiny bit more intense. Okay, now I'm going to wipe away just my under eye because my chin needs more time to bake. Okay, now it's time for blush. Today I'm going to be using this Milani Baked Blush in the color Luminoso. It's this really nice peach color. I'm just going to take this big fluffy brush and just sweep it on my cheeks. Okay, so I think my chin's baked enough now. I'm just wiping that off. And now I'm going to bake underneath my contour. while I'm waiting for this to bake, I'm just going to put on some mascara. Okay, now that I have mascara on, I'm just going to wipe off my bakage. And then I just feel like that gives you like a whole snatched vibe. Now I'm going to go in with highlighter. For my inner corners, I'm going to use the Kylie Wet Set. I'm going to use Privacy Please, which is this one up here. It's a really, really pretty gold color. And I'm going in with this little BH Cosmetics brush. I love the Wet Set for the inner corner. It just gives it such a pretty look, I feel like. And to highlight my cheeks, I'm going in with the Salted Caramel Highlighter by Kylie Cosmetics. I'm going in with this tiny, tiny little blending brush by BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to place that right on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so I just put that on my cheeks. I really like the way this highlighter looks for my more natural days because it is more of a very subtle highlighter opposed to the Wet Set, which literally makes you look like you're wet. If you wanted to pop on some lashes, you totally could. It just takes me like 5 minutes to put mine on, so on my days that I'm in a rush, I don't like to use them. So I'm not going to put them on for this video. So the next thing I'm going to do is my lips. I'm going to use the Kylie Velvet Lip Kit in the color Bear. So first I'm just going to line my lips and then I'm going to fill them in with one coat of her lips liquid lip velvet. I don't know what it's called. Alright, so once you have your lips on, you're done, you're ready to go. This is my pretty much everyday makeup routine because most of the time I wake up late and I have to rush. This look usually takes me probably like 10 minutes, 15 at most if I'm going very slow. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Even if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. But I will see you guys next time and don't forget to subscribe.